Oppo's latest smartphone called Oppo K14 is now official in India, with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo K14 5G features a tall 6.75-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1125 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Oppo K14 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 7000 mAh battery with 45W SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with ColorOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.6 by 78.5 by 8.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 216 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo K14 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 17,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 19,999 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 21,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Prism Violet, Prism White, and Icy Blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo K14 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video. Yeah.